Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing two Walgreens haul todays. I did one online already that I want to share with you using that Rakuten website. You can also do it from your phone. There is a Rakuten app that you can download. The deal is still going on where when you spend $30 through the Rakuten app, there's a ton of different stores available. Walgreens is one of them. You will get $30 cash back. And as you see here, Walgreens is offering 3% cash back through the Rakuten app. So you would get an additional 3% cash back. So a couple tips on the deal. It does have to be $30 before taxes, before any shipping fees or anything like that. So just make sure that your cart is $30 after any discounts or anything available. It has to be $30 out of pocket. Then you're going to get back $30 and whatever percentage from the different stores. So there are a ton to choose from. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The link is in the description box for you to download the app. You can also put an extension on your browser, which is what I did, because anytime I log into a website that the Rakuten app works with, it'll pop up a little notification and let me know I can activate it. Then it'll activate the percentage if that store has a percentage. So it's definitely an amazing deal, and I want to share it with you and show you guys exactly how to do it, as well as my quick Walgreens online haul that I did this morning. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, take a second, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. When I post any new deals or amazing tips, you guys will be notified. I do post almost every single day on my channel. Usually I try to take Saturdays off for family time, but I am posting almost every single day. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals and how you use the Rakuten app. This deal does end on May 1st, so you have a couple days left, so definitely do it as soon as possible. So right here, I'm on Rakuten.com. When you click that link in the description box, it'll pull it up for you and get you all signed up. Then that $30 rebate will automatically be activated because you're using that code. If you just log into Rakuten.com by yourself, you will not get the deal. So make sure you click that code. If you want to do Walgreens, as you can see here, there's a ton of different stores that are giving you cash back. Belk is another good one because there's a ton of deals going on. Aeropostale and American Eagle also have really good deals going on for sales, just their store alone. So those can also be some great ones to take advantage of. So all you would do is type in Walgreens. Then it shows you right here, there's up to 3% cash back. So you would just click shop now. See, you'll only get a $10 bonus if you join by yourself. If you join with link in the description box, you'll get $30. So way better to use that link. So now I want to go over my Walgreens haul. I only paid $1.50. So excited about it. It is all cosmetic, so I want to share with you the different beauty deals that you can do. Definitely great to do online, especially getting additional cash back. This is, of course, using all digital coupons, and I got free ship to store. So I will go over that in a little bit for you as well. So Maybelline this week is on sale, buy one, get one half off. Check your coupons. This morning I posted on my community tab on YouTube. There are some really high value, hot digital coupons floating around. Not every account is going to get them, but some accounts are. So this morning I got a $10 off to digital coupon for Maybelline, which is amazing. There's also a high value Old Spice for the body wash or the deodorant coupon floating around. So check your accounts now. See what kind of booster coupons or anything that you guys have and clip, clip, clip. They will disappear if enough people clip them and send them to your card. So if you are one of the lucky ones who got those, you don't want to miss out and let them slip. So one deal that I did, need more eyeliner. I like brown eyeliner, and for some reason I keep buying black eyeliner. So wanted to pick up some more eyeliners. The Unstoppable is $7.99 and the Drama Lasting Eyeliner is $5.99, so half off of that is $2.99. Total for this is going to be $10.98. Using that 10 off of 2 digital, I'm going to pay just 98 cents for both of them. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are going to ask if you can get overage on that coupon. I don't believe so. I'm not 100% sure. Typically, this is a coupon that Walgreens is giving you. They're not going to allow you to get overage. But again, not 100% sure on that. The next deal is L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics. I really love their eyeshadows. I know when I did my Walgreens online haul previously, some of the eyeshadows came back crushed, but there were only so many L'Oreal Paris Cosmetics that would allow ship to store. So you do have to check that when you're shopping on Walgreens.com. Also, check different shades. Sometimes it'll say out of stock online, but it's just for the shade of eyeshadow or shade of lipstick that you have picked. So if you open it, you can click all the different ones. It'll upload and change if those are available, depending on the different shade that you're choosing. So I had to mess around with it a little bit and get a shade that was actually available and available to ship to store for free. Otherwise, I would have had to pay $5.99 in shipping, which kind of defeats the purpose of all the savings. So that's why I did it that way. There's a Walgreens right down the street from me that it'll ship to the store and I can just run in and pick it up. So L'Oreal Paris, we do have a new IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon. You're going to get $4 off when you buy 2. There's also a couple digital coupons. There is a $2 iDigital and a 5 off of 3 for any eye or lip, or I think face is included as well. I have pictures of the coupons here coming up in a second. So using all those coupons, the 4 off of 2 will apply twice because you're buying 4 items. So you're going to pay just $2.97 for all 4, or 75 cents per eyeshadow, which is amazing because regular price, they're $5.99. So these are the coupons. As you can see, I redeemed them all today. I placed my order. This is the 5 off 3, so it does include the face. So it's eye, lip, or face products. There is the $4 off L'Oreal. Any coupon in your account that says, blank off with card, that means it is a Walgreens IVC coupon. The $10 off to cosmetics for the Maybelline eye, and then the $2 off L'Oreal Paris eye cosmetic. Because we're buying 4 L'Oreal products, that's why the 5 off 3 and the $2 are going to attach and work. So this is my online haul. These are the products that I got that we're showing. Total for everything for all of these is $17.96. The one item is half off here, showing 2 items coming in at half off here because all of these are on sale this week. Buy one, get one half off, which is great. This is my order summary. So shipping shows free because again, it is shipped to store. It would not ship to my house for free. The items totaling $28.94. The promotions and coupons are going to be those IVC coupons. For some reason, the IVC coupon $4 off 2 only gave me $6.98 off, which is weird. It should be $8 off. So I'm not sure what happened with that. I'll have to call customer service and just kind of double check, see what happened. Taxes, $1.54 in my area. The manufacturer coupons, $17. That's the $10, the 5 off 3, and the $2 off 1 for the L'Oreal. I did redeem 5,000 points, so that took off $5. Final cost, out of pocket, out the door, $1.50, which is an amazing deal. And of course, we're getting all beauty items, so this is going to track towards Walgreens Beauty. Now, I do want to show you real quick on Walgreens.com what I mean by ship to store. So let's just look up the L'Oreal Paris cosmetics real quick. I did want to pick up like 2 lipsticks and 2 eyeshadows. I wanted to do this one here. So you're going to click it. It says 2 to 5 in stock, available online as well. So see, I have this one clicked and it says out of stock online. You can just keep clicking the different colors. Oh, see, this one is available online, the peony pink. So you could add this to your cart. So it says ship to home free at $35. That means that ship to store is not available, or it would show it right here. So I'll show you one that is available, the one that I got. that does show ship to home, so that way you can see it. Relevance. I always sort low to high, that way I can put together my deals and figure out which one is the best. So this is the product that I had gotten right here. So the arsenic is out of stock online. Just keep clicking the different ones, see which one is going to be available. None of these are available. This is the one that I got. See how it says ship to store free? So this item is available online currently, and it can ship to store for free. So what it says, every single item you're buying in your haul has to say ship to store free in order for you to get the entire cart to be able to ship to store. If even one item does not allow ship to store, then you're gonna have to just pay shipping for your entire order. So just heads up on that. Make sure you're checking to see if this ship to store free is showing when you're purchasing it. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment. Let me know what amazing digitals you got. There are some booster coupons for the current week floating around as well. So double check, comment below. Let me know what you guys are going to be getting at Walgreens this week, if you're going to be doing an online haul using Rakuten, or if you're going to be going in store. I will be going in store later today, so I will have that posted with the printable breakdown. I will have a printable for this one listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time in my Walgreens haul in store later today.